Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
What is your middle name? Can you remove your hat, please? And your scarf. What is your middle name, Mr. Garner?
Errol.
Earl?
No.
He's on the 1:30 docket, Your Honor, I believe.
James Garner. Earl Garner. James Errol Garner, right?
Yes.
You are on the 1:30 docket.
If you want, Your Honor, I can give House Counsel an offer right now. She can report it to him.
On James Garner, do you see all the cases he has?
I see just the 4 that are on the docket, or 5.
Yeah.
He's got more?
He's got plenty more.
Okay. You want me to come down, review, and do a global offer?
If you could, please.
Okay, I'm on my way down.
Mr. Garner, do you want to offer on these or do you want to go to trial?
I would like to know what the charges are.
All right, everyone, buckle up because this courtroom is about to get absolutely chaotic. Judge Perkins is sitting there calm and collected, ready to break down every single violation this sovereign citizen thinks he's cleverly dodged, and honestly, watching him sit there full of misplaced confidence is both hilarious and tragic. It's like watching someone try to cheat a game on impossible mode without reading the instructions. Every move he makes just digs him deeper, and the tension in the room is electric. You can see the disbelief, frustration, and barely contained amusement on the faces of everyone present today is about to be a masterclass in law reality, and consequences all rolled into one unforgettable moment.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus James Earl Garner. Case number SP 11000435, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 116950. Those are driving license expired, misdemeanor, no insurance, insurance misdemeanor. Thank you. And an improper plate misdemeanor. All of them punishable by maximum possible penalty of 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. SP 1169507, counts 1 and counts 2, expired license and no insurance misdemeanor, both punishable by 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. SP 1169521, same improper plates, same punishment, $500 and 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines, maximum possible penalty. SP 1223079, driver one license suspended. SP 1273761, SP 1927512. 3 of those tickets are all punishable by 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. SP 1547006, counts 1, counts 2, and counts 3. Those are civil infractions. SP 1547407, counts 1 and counts 2. Count 1 being a driver while license suspended repeat offender. This one is in warrant status, probably an old case that he didn't pay. SP 800104, counts 1 and counts 2. 1 being an unregistered untitled. He owes $1,194 on that. And SP and count 2 of that is a drug while license improper. It looks like he has a $114 fine on that. State of Michigan versus James Earl Garner, case number SX 36268561. That is a drug while license expired. And that will be $500 maximum possible penalty, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
And then there's the public defender, who's just sitting there watching the chaos unfold, and honestly, you have to love her reaction. She's seen it all before, she's calm, collected, and she knows exactly how this is going to play out. While he's flailing around, thinking he can outsmart everyone, she's silently letting reality speak for itself. The irony is delicious. The way he believes he can outwit a trained legal expert is almost cute, but tragic. The courtroom collectively holds its breath as every ridiculous argument hits the wall, and she just smiles knowingly. This is human nature and law colliding in the most dramatic way possible.
For the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, please state your name for the record.
First off, I do have a couple.
You got to state your name first. You got to state your name first.
No,
Let's start there.
Wait a minute, Ms. Harris. Wait a minute, Ms. Harris. I think Mr. Garner is going to represent himself. Am I correct, Mr. Garner?
I'm representing myself in what? I mean,
At this point, you can't help but be completely confused by what he's saying. He twists words, throws out legal jargon that barely makes sense, and the judge tries to stay composed while clearly processing the absurdity. It's like watching a storm slowly form in the middle of a classroom, and nobody can stop it. Every word he utters piles on more chaos and frustration, and yet it's utterly captivating. It's a legal train wreck in slow motion. A storm of words clashing with reality, and you can't look away. It's chaotic, it's dramatic, and completely unforgettable.
I'm confused about what's actually going on. First off, who's alleging these charges? That's what I'm curious about.
State of Michigan, City of Detroit.
Okay, well, if that's the case, there's a common law principle which states that for there to be a crime, there must be a victim. Corpus delicti. The state cannot be the injured party. And in the absence of a victim, there can be no crime.
We want to do it.
Drawing my name from the record on that one. Thank you.
I know. How do you want to proceed, Mr. Garner? You set the matter. I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Either set the matter for trial or I'll wait for the city to give you an offer. What do you want to do?
Well, the court haven't even established jurisdiction. I mean, in order for jurisdiction, the jurisdiction has to be established first, and there's no jurisdiction established. And once jurisdiction is challenged, that must be settled before charges can be brought.
Then comes the classic move. He tries to remove his name from the record, thinking it will erase everything. And honestly, it's laughable. The judge sees right through it, and so does everyone watching. It's the kind of move people think is clever in movies, but in reality, it only delays the inevitable. He's still facing all the charges, still accountable, and every attempt at trickery bounces right off the walls. The professionalism of the court contrasts so sharply with his antics. It's like watching someone sneak past security in a clown suit thinking nobody notices. The audacity is wild, but the law doesn't bend for theatrics.
All right, do you want to put that in a motion, sir?
As far as I'm concerned, any and all charges must be dismissed because there is no complaining witness, and the state cannot be.
I'm not gonna listen. If that's your motion, I'm gonna deny the motion. Okay, so all we're gonna do now, we're not gonna keep going back and forth. Either you take an offer or you set the matter for trial. Which one do you want?
Respectfully, in order for this to continue, there must be a complaining witness, and the state cannot be a complaining witness. Now, if I'm entitled to a fair trial, the law states there must be a victim. I'm just requesting, who is the victim? Who did I injure?
The citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
The state cannot be a victim. And if
I
that's the
said the
case,
citizens, I said the citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the
if
victims.
that's the case, I would like to see
Mr. Garner,
the citizens.
Mr.
If that's
Garner,
the case,
can we just go into a breakout room and then maybe I can give you a little bit of advice to assist you with moving forward? Would you be agreeable to that?
sure.
Okay, awesome.
Judge Perkins lays it down, and suddenly it's undeniable who's in charge. Every objection he throws out is dismantled, every claim explained and dissected. It's a masterclass in courtroom authority while he thinks he's winning small battles. He's actually walking straight into a storm of consequences. The tension is palpable. You can feel the weight of the law pressing down in the room. Every eye is on him, and the audience watching can't help but shake their heads. Reality hits hard, and it's clear that cleverness alone can never outmatch procedure and legal authority.
I believe he's ready, Your Honor. He's representing himself.
Let's go back on the record with Garner. What do you want to do, Mr. Garner? Do you want a trial date, or you want an offer? Those are really your only two options.
Okay, since we are on the record, all I'm asking for is the
Okay, one last time. Now listen, here's how it's gonna go from this point on. If you don't answer the question that I asked specifically, then I'm gonna hold you in contempt of court, and we're gonna move from that point on, right?
Now here's where it gets really fascinating, even frustrating. He refuses help from the public defender because she's an agent of the state. In his mind, accepting it would legitimize the charges. It's a trap disguised as assistance, and every refusal digs him deeper. He's literally fighting against people trying to save him from disaster, and every word he utters is another nail in the coffin. It's simultaneously impressive and misguided. The tension is electric. The stakes are enormous, and watching this unfold is what makes courtroom drama so riveting and real. You can feel every consequence looming over him.
So you're telling me,
Mr. Garner, we're not gonna have a conversation. Stop, sir. Now, that's the last time I'm gonna ask you to.
On the law. Is that what I'm hearing?
All right.
I'm asking.
I'm gonna hold Mr. Garner in contempt of court. He is directly violating the court's order. I've asked him repeatedly to not interfere or add any extra commentary to this case. I've given him ample time to answer the court's question, and he continues to refuse to do so. So now I'm going to hold you in contempt, and I'm going to sentence you to 30 days Wayne County Jail. No early release.
So that means that the court is just going to violate my rights because I'm defending myself? Is that what I'm hearing?
30 days, Wayne County Jail, no early release. That'll give you some chance and some time to read up on your rights, okay? Fill out the contempt papers, Madam. So I'm gonna order you to turn yourself in today, Mr. Garner, to start that jail time, okay?
So I have a question.
I'm not answering any more of your questions. Turn yourself in to the Wayne County Jail today.
So the court is going to be in direct violation of my rights in the law. Is that where we're standing?
That's how you feel. Have a good day, sir.
The judge gives him a tiny window to catch up on his rights, but he's too focused on battles that don't exist. It's almost poetic because knowledge is dangled right in front of him, and he refuses to grasp it fully. This is one of those rare moments that shows how decisions in the courtroom can literally shape someone's life if they pay attention or ignore it. The irony is rich, and the stakes are high. The courtroom watches silently as this opportunity slips away. and the audience can't help but be captivated by the tension drama and lessons unfolding in real time.
Well, you gotta make your special appearance to the Wayne County Jail. I told you that the last time.
Finally, the reality check hits hard. The sentence is delivered. The special appearance to the Wayne County Jail line lands like a hammer, and all illusions are gone. The rules are clear, the consequences immediate, and the narrative of bending reality is officially over. It's intense, dramatic, and oddly satisfying to watch, because justice is served. The tension, irony, and human drama collide perfectly in this moment. Watching him realize there's no escape is cinematic in its purest form, and the audience is left both entertained and reminded of the power of law and consequences in real life.